Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to look at how you can archive your sessions. So we're going to be looking at our session dashboard here found in our journal. And here I have two sessions and I want to do a little bit of cleanup. For example, this session was incomplete and I want to archive it. So I'm going to go here to this box and I'm going to click it. And here on the right, I see something that says archive. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to confirm that I want to archive this session, and I'm going to press OK. And it disappears from this list. Now, where did it go? I can go here to this Show Archived Sessions and click it. And here is the session that I just archived. Now, let's say I want to take it out of the archives and put it back into my active sessions. I'll go here, click this, and I can go right here and press Unarchive. And then I will go to this and says Show Active Sessions. And now it's back in my active session list. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.